But today's topic is refinancing your home. So what is refinancing? So a lot of people definitely ask, especially since the interest rates are down low right now, like should they refinance their home? Um, so basically, you're replacing your existing loan with a new one. All allows homeowners to borrow funds or at a more favorable interest rate. You repay funds over different length of time, or withdraw from or to add to your equity in your house. So mainly, you're just getting a new loan. You're either gonna refinance. Most people like you're gonna refinance at a lower rate. You shouldn't ever refinance at a higher rate. That's for sure. Or you want to get some money out of the equity in your house. Maybe you want to buy a pool, like my wife. Maybe you want to do some repairs or something like that. You could do that instead of doing a home equity loan. As long as you got um, the equity built into the house, then you could take some money out and just change it, or get that money out and just change the rate and change the length of time, or you could shorten the time if you want to, change the payments to make them a little bit higher or a little bit smaller. Just depends. Number two, how does it work? By acquiring a new mortgage, which is used to pay off and close the original loan. Your monthly payments, length of loan, and your interest rate are all based on the new terms of the loan that you refinance. Example, a good example of another reason why you'd want to refinance a home and change the terms and things like that is because of the fact that if you didn't put 20% down, then you probably have PMI mortgage insurance on your loan, and that could cost you an extra $400 a month just for that insurance. So as soon as you drop below the 20%, you can refinance that loan and get rid of that $400 a month. And so just basic simple math right there, like why not do it? As long as the rate is lower, which it should be in today's times, then go ahead and do it and get rid of that PMI and get that lower rate and get a lower monthly payment. Number three, why refinance? Like, why do you want to refinance? Depending on your financial circumstances or the rates, several ways you're going to benefit from refinancing your home. So a couple of statistics that I found is 43% of people want to reduce the payment, 19% want to reduce the length of time that they're paying on their house, and 4% just want to change the loan type, either from like an adjustable rate to a fixed rate. All sorts of different things you can do with that. Some common reasons to refinance: again, reduce your payment, reduce total interest paid, saving you some money, shorten length of the loan, which is still going to save you some money, change rate type from adjustable to fixed, and draw cash out, do a cash out refinance like my wife wants to do, and cancel your PMI, your mortgage insurance payments that you have to go. And then another thing is the timing of refinance. Like, you really want to make sure the rate is lower than what you have. If you're refinancing from a 0.5% to 1% rate change lower, then you definitely probably want to refinance, because over the life of the loan, especially a 30-year loan, you're gonna save a lot more money getting rid of that 0.5% or 1%. But if it's only like a quarter, I wouldn't even worry about that. I would just not do it and just wait for your interest rates to go. But if you bought your house this year, it's probably going to be a little bit harder to refinance because of the fact that their interest rates are at an all-time low, and they've just been going lower and lower. Obviously, I can't tell you if they're going to go lower anymore. We never know. So I think the rate's around like 2.8 right now. Don't quote me on that, which is really, really good. A few years ago, we had a 4% loan. So if we could refinance that now, imagine how much money you would save, a 1.2% decrease in your actual loan over the 30 years. So that'd be pretty huge. But I'm going to talk about more about the different types of cash out, different types of refinancing tomorrow. We're going to turn it into a 2-part series, so I don't take up a whole lot of time. My dinner is in the oven cooking.